Changing out jaws on JT28 Witch drill. You gotta take this jaw out first, closest to the operator, right there. Take this out. There's plugs here. Handler key 10 millimeter, right there. Pull those out. Take this jaw out, and then you take this controller, push it forward. It brings this out to gain access to those, these caps, with a pick. You pull those out. You gotta take the guides out. These guides, right here. Take these guides out, right there. And then push this way. Push the rods that way. And that's how you access this. Same thing with this one here. You can do the joystick and it'll bring this out.